Oh, today's going to be a fun day. I just got in my combo class pack of Crayola markers and crayons to take with me on my book tour for my new book, The Donkey Song. I've said this before, but before I I've been writing picture books for a very long time, but I didn't start trying to get them published until recently. And before that, I said it before, I taught art for 1,000 years, and my kids made the most wonderful things with Crayola markers. And after that, I was a children's librarian for 1,000 more years. What does that make me, 2,000 years old? And they use crayons and Crayola markers and paper. And I've been showing you some paper crafts, but I'm going to take this classroom sack with me. But today I'm going to be showing you one of the activities I'm going to take for my kids to do. And I'm going to tell you how to use Crayola markers by using yellow first, and then getting gradually darker and darker and darker and darker and darker, using brown next to last and black last of all. Kids and adults really have a tendency to want to outline their project with black and then start coloring it in. That will never work, because when you put in black first and try to put the yellow in next to it, well, black and yellow make a kind of olive army green. You have the nastiest looking green in the whole world. The only way to avoid that is to put yellow, color all your yellows. You can outline it with pencil first if you want to. And then after you put in all these other colors, going from light to dark, you finally add black. Not until the last. I told you before about my color system to organize my scrapbook papers and my art papers. I always go from yellow to orange to red. Something I started many years ago. And it's a way that I not only color, and I paint that way in watercolor anyway. I start with yellow, and then I gradually add the darker colors, and I never add any black in a watercolor until everything is dry, and I may put a mark here and there with black.